beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Ariel. This is where we talk beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you have not subscribed already, what you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button for me. And don't forget to like, share, comment, promote, anything that you feel like doing with this video. Please just go ahead. So today I want to share with you guys this emergency look of mine. Kind of emergency quickie. I did not plan, kind of like the day was supposed to be a no makeup day, then something happened and I have to paint my face, and believe me, it was in a car. Yes, I had to put my makeup face in a car. So without wasting more time, let's get into it so I can tell you guys what happened and what you guys think about this. So what happened is that I came to the mountain, but I did not prepare to take picture. Yes, I didn't, because I didn't know the view was gonna be nice. So, but the good part of it is I always travel with my makeup kit. So let's see what we can come up with in a car. So as you can see, I have a makeup kit right here, and let's get it started. So as you can see, I have a makeup kit right here, and let's get it started. Okay, so first we're gonna start by cleaning our face. I'm gonna wipe off all of the oil that's still over there since this morning. So we're gonna clean all of that off, and we can have like a clean face, a fresh one to get it started with. And I'm basically gonna even take all the lip gloss, all of those one, take it all off, and I'm just gonna use like a small lip balm while I'm doing this, just to keep my lips moisturized, because my lips get dry so quick, like they really get dry so fast. So just a little bit of lip balm while we painting all of that, so it doesn't get too dry by the time I get to it. Yes, so that is done, and next let's find our brushes and the pomade. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna have to brush that and draw. Here comes the drawing again. If you're trying to learn how to do your eyebrows, I did 2 videos earlier. Check my channel. I'm gonna have the link in the description box as well of my previous 2 videos about how to get your eyebrows done. So that is in there already, so we're not gonna waste too much time on the brows here. We're just gonna kind of skip it through it and head where we're going. Okay, so eyebrows are done. We pass it on to the concealer to fix things here. So right now I'm using the NC35 in MAC because I want a little brighter under my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use the MC35 in the MAC concealer, the one that comes in the pot. And let me tell you, trust me, when you play with brushes, magic happen. I feel like I look like a ghost right now, but anyway, we have a destination that we're heading to. So we're just gonna put that, not just here, just to line up your brows. Like if there is any mistake that needs to be fixed, this is a moment for you to make it straight and clean it up and prepare to do some amazing stuff. So that's how it goes. And we're gonna get that in there. I'm not gonna waste too much time on it. We can skip that one. So here comes the palette that I'm gonna use. So I feel like anytime that I have something quickie, like I'm running to finish, or like don't want to waste too much time on makeup, that's the palette that I go for. That's a Warrior 2 from Juvia, and it just have like so many nice, beautiful, simple, easy color that you can use, and the palette itself is not that expensive. So I'm just gonna use like the brighter one to go all over my lid, and find the darker one just to stay kind of like in a outer corner just to make it a little bit darker because we don't have time to play around here. This is in a rush and I need to get it down and go take some pictures. The first one that I took, I didn't like the way I was looking in the picture, so we're gonna change some things around. And as I always say, the easy way to pull off a color that you want when it comes to this some of these palettes is you have to tap to get it very concentrated to the level that you want. And if you're trying to make it something like lighter, that's when you kind of brush it. So as you can see, all I did was to use the orange one, it kind of like add more to it in my inner corner. So moving on to the second eye, just do the same thing. Blend it, tap as much as you want. And just get the color that you want, basically. That's, I don't even remember how many times I used basically already, but anyway, it seems so basically after all. Yeah. Okay, we actually getting the color that you want, so I'm just adding a little bit more of this light red or oranges kind of just to get it concentrated as much as I want. So that's what it look like so far, which is good. Now we're gonna move to the darker color, and that's the one that I pick, and this one is only gonna go to the outer corner just to make it a little bit darker. I don't know, I just like my outer corner to be way darker than the inner corner. So we're just gonna tap, put it all there, and let's skip to the good part. Okay, so for the simple fact that I don't have enough time to do this, I'm not going to use the pomade liner, so I went directly with the liquid one, and this particular one is my Maybelline from Fashion Nova. And just like I said before, the only thing, well, the only good thing, or let me say the best thing about it is you have to crack it open yourself, and anytime that it get dry, you kind of just twist it a little bit to get more ink or more liner through the pencil of a pen and for you to do what you want to do. Yes, so that's how it goes. So you draw the line first, then you start at the middle of a line. That's how you come back to your eye, get it all the way to the middle, then you start back from the inner corner and meet it right there in the middle. Yes. There will be more detail about this. We're gonna go through it again every time that we do a makeup. Yes, we're gonna go through the detail till we get used to it. So the liner is done basically, and I'm gonna skip the second eye and let's keep it moving. Okay, so here comes my photo finish primer from Smashbox. I love this product. I'm in love with it because as soon as you put it, it kind of get blurry and like get it so smooth. And if you have pores, it just like cover it all up right away. That's why I love it. Like it is really a photo finish primer, honestly speaking. Okay, so let's move to the concealer. I'm gonna use the concealer here just to like add an extra layer under my eye because I feel like I didn't get enough sleep and I don't like where my eyes are looking so puffy right now. So we're gonna put that underneath right there just to give it an extra layer, and on top of that is gonna come the foundation. That's not bad. I think that should be pretty much good enough to do what I want to do. So I'm gonna move on to this NARS foundation, one of my favorite. I'm running out of it. I mean, we need a new bottle. This is the one that I got during the pandemic, and it actually lasts like really, really long. For a cheap foundation like this, I'm impressed. It is really amazing, that I will tell you, very much so. So let's finish this here and move on to the good part. And here comes my second layer of concealer. Yes, And once we put this one, this is one that we're gonna use to put our setting powder as well, the baking powder I should say. Yes, so just add it there, trying to draw my nose bridge. I don't know, I like to put on the outer bar. However you do it, just add a little bit of concealer up there. And today I'm gonna go with this one. We're gonna put it right under the cheekbone, because on top of that is gonna go my favorite bronzer. Yes, so there we go. And I think that should be about it. And let me find my espresso. Okay, so here comes the espresso stick from Finally, and that's my contour, my favorite contour I should say. I don't know why, but I just love a stick. And this one is by Fenty from Rihanna. Yes. And just gonna contour your face a little bit, add it to the cheekbone and right on top of the nose bridge. And after that, we're just gonna be using the same sponge that you used to do your foundation. Is the same sponge that we're gonna use to blend it in, because it kind of just make it smoother and better. So we're gonna blend that in, and let's skip again to the next part. Okay, so here we're gonna just add some setting powder to bake this face of mine. So just gonna put it right here and on top of the forehead, and don't forget your nose bridge. Okay, so let's add some NYS pencil here, just to get a dark on the eye. Look, so put it right there, and not too much of it. This one is from NYS, and I love it because it's so easy to use, and I can just carry on and add more to it when it start fading. Yes, I'm not gonna say basically again. So get that done, and what do you guys think? We're almost there, almost done. Okay, so once this is done, I'm gonna proceed and get my palette back. We're just gonna use the same darker color and go underneath the eye, like right there. Add it just a little bit to create that ombre look, kind of like the transition between your foundation and the eye pencil color or so ever. So just gonna, not too much, just brush it off, just put a little bit there, and it gave like a nice ombre look. Okay, time for cleanup. We finish baking this, and whatever is excess is gonna come off. Yes, the extra part of it is gonna come off, and just have to kind of brush it away for them to fall off. You don't want them there while you're doing the setting spray. So just clean it up really well. Get rid of any extra baking powder sitting in there. So here we go. I'm gonna be using the all-nighter from Urban Decay. Yes, one of my favorite. And see, I did not forget my fan. That's crucial. That has to come, because I need it. Yes, I don't want no thing to get on my eyeshadow. So just gonna put it like that, and we're gonna spray the whole face and dry it up and keep it going. Okay, so time to add some highlight. Yes. And this one, that's one of my favorite palette actually. So we're just gonna go right underneath the eyebrow, just to give it some shiny look, make it brighter and highlighted. So just gonna go right there, not too much of it. Make sure that you only going like those slight stripe. That's what you do. You don't have to pack it there. Just kind of brush it off, and brush it off till you get the concentration that you want. Right on top of a nose. Yes, my nose is not big, but I'm used to it at this point, and it's not a big deal. I'm used to it. It is what it is. And right on top of a nose bridge, that's the one that doesn't have to be too shiny. So I usually use my finger to kind of blend it in and decrease the highlighting part of it. Yes, not bad. Okay, so let's add some to the cheek too. Yes, that's where it come more important and more crucial. The nose bridge, yes, it's okay, but the cheek, yes, we gotta keep them highlighted so it can pop, pop, pop when you're taking picture. Yes. Okay, so today we're gonna be using this Maybelline lip liner. Yes, it's kind of chocolate dark, and I'm gonna use it just to draw around my lips to give it like that nice darker color before I can put anything else on top of it. So I'm just gonna go around the lip to make it nice and cute. Yes, nice and little cute. So in product, that's what it look like. Yes, and let's move on to the next one. This one is Ultimate, and I got it in color chocolate. And honestly speaking, it does smell like chocolate. Like that got me hungry and I almost ate it. Yes, it is really chocolate. It smells like real chocolate. When I say chocolate, it really smells like chocolate. So I'm just gonna put that one right there to blend it in with a lip liner. And let's skip to the good part. Believe it or not, I'm just gonna add a little bit more highlight right on top of the lip. And the reason why is it make it pop up, like it pops once you take a picture. So I still think something missing. So we're gonna add a little bit more of color just to tiny it, I should say, kind of make it more ombre. So it doesn't stay too bright, kind of. So just adding, that's another Juvia palette that I'm using, just a little bit, not too much of it, just put it right there. Right, like just tiny bit and just put it right there. Just to change the whole concentrated look of it. I nearly forgot, but now we're gonna be using this Amazon Lash Glow to put my lashes on. And they actually stay really longer, like really. They're really effective, and I like it because once I put it on, I don't have to worry about it. And they act like a magnetic one. I'll have to put a little bit of it, and it pull to your eyelashes like it got some kind of magnet in there. There we go. Final look already. What's your take on this? What do you think? Remember, it was all done in the car. Yes, while I'm sitting, put it together. So let's move on to the next part. Okay, so let's talk about this hair, basically. I was looking for something short because the weather start getting hot. I don't want something that are gonna be bothering my shoulders, and because of the pandemic and all of that, I can't be wearing long hair to go to work. So I'm just looking for something short that I can just put together, wrap it, cover my head, and go do what I gotta do. So, but I wanted it in color. So I look on Amazon and I came across this one, and I'm gonna put the link in the description box so you guys can check it out. It kind of turned out pretty nice though, and this is straight out of a box, no washing, no conditioning or anything, and it look pretty cute. I love the color. I think it's a 27, I think. I'm not sure, but anyway, once you click on the link, you're gonna have all of those details in Amazon. Yes, it is from Amazon, and he actually come with a headband as well. And I don't know, I'm just feeling the color right now. This is gonna be my new look for the next week. Yes. Thank you for stopping by. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you for helping me share this video and getting more subscribers. I truly appreciate you guys. Said if you have not commented already, don't forget to drop your comment below and subscribe, share, like, promote, and all of the above. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.